What's up, everybody? My name is Thomas, and today I'm going to be showing you episode 1, part 1 of my series to making money online. Now, I know a lot of people post videos how to make money online, how to do this, how to do that. I'm going to be doing them, I'm going to be trying them out, and I'm going to let you know if they work or not. So what I plan to get into is just a couple things. The first thing is a YouTube channel. I'm going to be testing out some side hustles, seeing if they work or not, and this channel is going to be the first one. My progress, whether it's good or bad, you guys will see it. So the first one that I've learned that's most important is make a YouTube channel. That's what you got to do. Now the second thing I'm going with is an Instagram theme page right here. And what I got for mine is a comedy one. Now I also have an art one. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that. I might change it for a different topic, but I'm going to start with one theme page and try to go on to another. And the main goal of this is to get some promotions out of it, man. Just have a good community, have a good system, post some good videos, and when people need just a plug, man, they come to you, this and that, boom, you're making money. So I'm on day 1. I'm going to show you all my progress. I'm going to show you how I do it, posting it, giving credit. That's all you got to do. The second thing I'm going to start doing is do a review for plugins. Now I make music, rap beats, hip hop beats, R&B. And something we need that is essential to our creation is VSTs. And I'm going to be doing some reviews, not just on VSTs, but on some mics, some keyboards, some monitors, anything tech and music. I'm going to be posting there as well as my beats and the music I make. Right, so the first thing that I do is I find a good clip right here. Now here we have a clip of Joshua Block thinking a cream cheese is his phone. This one got some good views. I think it's pretty funny. After you copy the link, I'm going to go right here. I'm going to click this.
Download.
And then download. You download this, you go here. Shit, where are you? So once you download it, you go to your downloads and you basically just save it. So once you've saved it and you have it on your iPhone, you have it on Instagram, it's pretty simple. You click next, you type in a caption, a block of cream cheese, and then we'll get a skull emoji in there. This is the most important part right here, is you got to go here, you got to click credit, do this. All right, so this is important. Once you got the you put it right there and you put on TikTok. So when people want to see the original page, they know it's at this person's place right here on TikTok. And then you want to do some hashtags, like a hashtag meme, funny, viral. And then you want to put something related to the video. Joshua Block. And then you go funny stream moments is what you want to do. Funny stream moments. Basically, that's all you gotta do. You click share. This video got 300, about 400 views. This one got 200. This one got 300. I just posted this one. You got a couple others down here that got some views. But as you can see, now that I'm doing this consistently, I'm starting to get views. So the first step is there. At some point, I'm gonna get some followers. And it's going to be real good. It's going to be real good. All right, so the first step to setting something up for a review, definitely a plugin at least, is you want to make sure you have something to use it on, right? So here we got some chords, lower mid frequencies, yeah. All right, we have that. Then you have a little leader here. Turn that down a little bit. And then you have the bass. And I'll probably make a full beat out of this. If you want me to make a beat out of this, let me know, and I'll just post it to whatever. Here's what we have for the drums. Something simple. And basically, I just do my review, post it up, and that's it. I'm going to upload it on YouTube. I got to make a good thumbnail for both of these. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the VST on all these, test it out, the different parameters to see how it works. But I'm going to post a review on my YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok just so it shows that, I'm doing reviews now, that I know what I'm talking about, and that I'm doing well. So this is the behind the scenes right here. I'm going to film this video real quick, and I'll get back to you when it's all done. All right, everybody, so that's episode 1. I just got done filming this review. If you're into music, you know anything about this, a saturation knob, man, it's great for being free. You got the YouTube video up. Once you see this, we're going to have a post out there. We're going to have a post review for the plugin, and then we're going to have continuous posts for the theme page. So on episode 1, we got 3 things set up, and we got 3 things posted. So I'll let you know in the next episode in a couple days how we're doing. Now, and by the time you watch this review will be up if you're into music. Check it out.